It's a beautiful spring day here at MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and I wanted to show you the Sea Ray 25 SDX. Not only is the 25 SDX an incredible day cruiser with a ton of seating, a ton of different positions you can put that seating in, but it's also made for a long time out on the water with all of the storage capabilities that this boat has. Before we get to that, this 25 SDX is outfitted with a Mercury 300 V8. Starting in the aft section of the boat, we have a large storage compartment here on the port side. You flip that up, it gives you a ton of storage, and this storage moves up towards the middle of the boat. So it's really long and you can fit a lot of stuff in there. In the center line here, we have a nice locker that is wide and deep and has self-draining capabilities. It is also insulated so it can keep cold things cold longer. When the ice does melt, it just goes right out the boat, so you don't have to worry about bailing it out. Back here, we have a freshwater washdown. For when the kids go swimming, they can rinse off of fresh water, get that salt off of them, and they're not tracking it throughout the rest of the boat. This lounger here is actually modular. So right now I have this all the way up in the forward position. You can flip this backrest so it's facing into the boat. And then with a little latch here, the whole thing moves back to make more room for the seating area when everyone's sitting inside the boat. Moving up, we have another storage compartment here. Again, self-draining. You can see down towards my feet, Sea Ray has placed these cup holders in good positions where you're not going to kick the bottle, you're not going to kick a can, but they're also safe for when you're moving. Pretty much underneath every single one of these seats, you have more storage. So we bring this one up here, and not only does it act as your storage for your bow table and your cockpit table, but this storage goes all the way back to that port side storage compartment that I showed you in the very beginning. You have more storage under here as well. This sports tower is collapsible. So nice part about it being collapsible, if you wanted to put this boat on a trailer, you don't have to worry about any head clearance. If you are going out for a trip, some unknown areas, and you need to get under a lower bridge, all you have to do is pull these two handles up and it folds forward. Moving up a little bit further, we have these two chairs. This chair is adjustable. You can face it aft or you can face it forward for a companion seat. Same goes for the captain's chair. This comes forward and now the captain can join the party. We have more storage up here. It's a great place, and just look how deep that is. You can store all of your covers in here, more tables, just gets things out of your way. Everything on this boat has a designated space, which really reduces clutter and maximizes usability. Moving forward to the helm station, you have a very nice large Simrad touchscreen navigation system. You have a Fusion stereo, and you also get the new Mercury throttle, which is a digital throttle shift with active trim and push start. Moving forward to the cuddy, not only do you have a small berthing area so kids can go take a nap, or if you needed to spend a night somewhere, you have the room to do so. Underneath this cushion is a head as well, so it's a multi-purpose. Nice part is that it is not a portable head. It is an actual pump out, so it's fixed with plumbing. Now moving up to the bow, we have a very nice design up here. It's a little bit different than what you might see on some of the smaller models as two chase lounges on both sides, but this is more of a bench seating. It's very nice backrest. You can really fit several people up here, especially with that cockpit table. You and your friends can hang out on the bow while other people are on the back and eat your food and relax. You also have plenty of cup holders up here. You have USB-C ports. Overall, the boat is very, very user-friendly, and it can house a lot of people on here for a day out on the water. If you have any questions about the Sea Ray 25 SDX, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We would be more than happy to help you. Enjoy your day, and we'll see you out on the water.